When solving multiplication word problems, here's a few strategies you can use. Sal earns $12 for each lawn he mows. He mowed 4 lawns last Saturday. How much money did Sal earn? First thing we want to do is underline the question. How much money did Sal earn? The next thing we do is circle the numbers we see in the problem. 12 and 4. The third step is to figure out what operation you're going to use those numbers in order to solve the problem. Since Sal charges $12 for 1, he is going to mow 4 lawns. We will need to multiply 12 times 4. He earned $48 on Saturday. Amy needs 33 beads to make a necklace. She wants to make 14 necklaces. How many beads will she need in all? When I multiply 33 times 14, I get 462 beads. Follow the steps when you want to solve your word problems with multiplication.